Good morning, dear student. Become semester 5 English medium. Dear student, in our previous lectures, we count the example number 17. Now, in today's lecture, I choose another example number 19, which is same to example number 17. Friends, in university exam, generally this kind of example ask in your cost and finance account paper. So I count this type of example more and more for you. Now friends, you can see the information related to today's example in your screen. Now I read the information related to our example. So example number 19, a product passes through three processes via FY, SY and TY, and then after it is transferred to finished stock. The information is as under. Now friends, particulars process FY, SY and TY. Number 1, unit introduced per unit 100 rupees question mark. So friends, in this example there is no given the hint to introduce unit and dash dash. Normal wastage into bracket percentage of input 2.5 percentage, 5 percentage and 10 percentage. Sales value of wastage per unit rupees 25, 50 and 60. Abnormal wastage number of units 500, 550 and dash. Cost per unit of abnormal wastage rupees 150, 200 and dash. Abnormal gain number of units, so unit number process TY 250. Cost per unit of abnormal gain rupees dash dash and 250. Actual production percentage of unit introduced 95 percentage question mark and question mark. So dear student, and then after additional information, the abnormal wastage was 100% of the normal wastage in process F5. Factory overheads to be distributed as 25 of direct wages in all three processes. From the above informations, prepare process account, abnormal loss account and abnormal gain account. North Gujarat University TY April 2007. यानी कि फ्रेंड्स when I had studied in TY that this example is asked. Now friends, we start our calculation. So first we find out our introduced unit before we find out normal wastage. Okay, normal wastage is 100%. Abnormal wastage was 100% of the normal wastage, and there is 500 units. So we use this information and find out the normal wastage. So abnormal wastage is 100% of normal wastage. So normal wastage is equal to abnormal wastage multiply 100 is equal to 500 upon 100 multiply 100 upon 100 this, and 100 is percentage. So the answer is 500 units. Now friends, thus the normal wastage is 500 units, which is 2.5% of unit introduced. So friends, when 500 units, how many units we introduce? Suppose कि 2.5 unit normal wastage, then the introduced unit is 100. So 500 units normal wastage, then the question mark. In the question mark friends. So 500 multiply 100 upon 2.5 यानी कि then after the answer is 20,000 introduced unit, means कि in process FY we introduced 20,000 units. Okay, friends, now we prepare the process account FY, means the process account number 1. So to introduce unit per unit 100 rupees, 20,000 multiply 100 यानी कि 20 lakhs. Then after normal wastage 2.5 and per unit 25 rupees. We find out normal wastage 500 units and 25 यानी कि total is 12,500. Then after also given the information related to abnormal wastage, so 500 units. So 500 units, and there is the given the cost of abnormal unit 150. So 500 multiply 150, 75,000. Now transfer to next process. So friends, 20,000 minus 5,500 plus 500 यानी कि 1,000, यानी कि difference is 19,000. So we transfer to next process 90,000 unit, and the cost is 90,000 multiply 150, same to same. Okay, the answer is 28,50,000. Now make the total of credit side to 29,37,500. We note down this side. We find out must be this both particulars, wages and factory overheads. So now we make the calculation for wages and factory overheads. So friends, first total cost 29,37,500 minus debit side total expense 20 lakhs. The difference is 9,37,500 rupees. Our factory overheads to distribute 25% of the direct wages in all the processes. So suppose wages is 100 and factory overheads is 25. So total expense is 125. So 125 total expense, then the wages is 100. So 9,37,500 total expense, then answer is question marks. So wages is 7,50,000, and same to same make process for factory overheads. Okay, 125 total expense, the factory overheads is 25. So 9,37,500 total expense, the factory overheads is question marks. So the answer is 1,87,500. We note down here, which is 7,50,000 and factory overheads 1,87,500. Make the total both sides equal. So here is a complete of process account FY. Now we prepare abnormal wastage account. So friends, on debit side to process number 1 500 and the cost is 75,000. Okay, but we sells our normal wastage per unit 25 rupees. So 500 multiplied 25 make it 12,500. So we make the loss 62,500 rupees. Now both side the total is equal. So here is complete our process FY. Now we are going to one process SY. So process SY. So friends, on debit side transfer to process FY. So friends, you can see we transfer to next process 90,000 units and total cost is 28,50,000. So we note down here 90,000 and 28,50,000. Now first we find out normal wastage unit. So friends, normal wastage is equal to 90,000 multiply 5% upon 100, because in our SY process the normal wastage percent is 5%. Okay, so we note down 5. The answer is 950 units. So we note down here, and we sold the normal wastage is per unit 50 rupees. So 950 multiply 50, the answer is 47,500, and the cost is 47,500. Then after in process SY there is a abnormal wastage, number of units 550. So we also note down here abnormal wastage 550 and the cost is 200 rupees. So 550 multiplied 200 yani ki 1,10,000. Now transfer to next process 3. How many units we transfer to next process? So friends, very easy. Normal wastage, normal output. So our total input is 90,000 minus 950 plus 550. The difference is 70,500. Transfer to next process 3, 70,500 units and cost 200 rupees per unit. The cost is 35 lakhs. Now make the total on credit side. So 36,57,500 both side. Now we find out the different on debit side. So total cost 36,57,500 minus 28,50,000. So the difference is 8,07,500. Now we find out wages and factory overheads. So we make the same to same calculation like a process account FY. So 125 total expense and 100 wages. The total cost expense is 8,07,500. Then question mark and factory overheads is a question mark. The answer is 6,46,000 and 1,61,500. We note down here wages 6,46,000 and factory overheads is 1,61,500. Okay friends, now we prepare again abnormal wastage process account SY. Again process to 550 and total cost is 1,10,000. We sold per unit 50 rupees. The total cost is 27,500. Now the loss is 82,500. Both side the total is equal. Now we are going to our last process account TY. So on debit side we introduce the unit 17,500 and cost it 35 lakhs. Then after first we find out normal wastage, and there is a 10%. The unit is 1,750 and we sold per unit 60 rupees. The total cost is 1,05,000. Then after in our process account TY there is a abnormal gain. So abnormal gain 250 units, and we sold per unit 60 rupees, sorry 250 rupees per unit. We sold 250 rupees. So 250 multiplied 250 यानी कि 62,500 is our total cost. Now we find out the finished stock. How many units we transfer to finished stock? So friends, normal output is equal to 70,500 plus 250 minus 1,750. The difference is 60,000. It means we transfer finished stock 60,000 units per unit 250, and the total cost is 40 lakhs. Okay, now we make a total of credit side to total cost 41 lakhs 5,000 and unit 70,550 units. Now is the debit side we also note down total unit 70,750 and total cost 41 lakhs 5,000. Now we find out the different. The different is 5,42,500. Friends, so 41 lakhs 5,000 minus 35 lakhs minus 62,500, and the answer is difference means 5,40,500. We distribute in our ratio wages and factory orders. So friends, in process account TY the wages is 4,34,000 and factory orders is 1,08,500. So we note down here 4,34,000 and 1,08,500. Both sides the equal total. Now in process account 3 there is the abnormal gain. So we prepare the abnormal gain account. So friends, we prepare the abnormal gain account on that side by process number 3 250 units and the cost is 62,500. But we sold normal wastage means wastage per unit 60 rupees. So 250 multiply 60, the answer is 15,000. So we make the profit and we transfer to profit and loss account 47,500. Both sides the total equal. Okay friends, now friends, here we complete our unit number 1A, and friends, at home you make self practice. I give some example in this. Okay friends, so friends, you do practice at home. Example number 20, in latest exam page number 55 and example number 2 you make practice at home. Okay friends, and then after latest example number 4, I hope you do practice at home. Friends, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Jai Hind.